In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers' names in an email with Kit. Personalizing your emails with a subscriber's first name is a simple touch that can make your messages feel much more friendly and engaging. Instead of sending a generic "Hey there" to everyone, you can greet each person by name automatically, without having to type anything manually for each contact. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that using the personalization features built into the Kit email editor. First, open the email you want to edit in Kit's editor. Once you're in the editor, click into the body of your email and place your cursor exactly where you want the subscriber's name to show up. This could be right at the top as part of your greeting, like "Hi," followed by their name, or maybe a bit later in the message, depending on your tone and style. Taking a second to choose the right spot helps the personalization feel natural and intentional. With your cursor in place, look to the left of the line you're working on. You'll see a small plus icon. You can click this plus icon to open the personalization options. If you prefer using the toolbar instead, you can also click the Personalize button there. Both options will take you to the same personalization menu, so use whichever feels more comfortable or easier to remember as you work. When the personalization menu opens, you'll see different fields you can insert. For adding a name, choose subscriber's first name. Once you click that, Kit automatically inserts a special placeholder code into your email at your cursor's position. It will look like this: double curly braces, the word subscriber, a dot, first underscore name, and then closing curly braces. On your screen, it appears as code, but in your subscriber's inbox, it will display as their actual first name, pulled directly from your list. This code is dynamic, which means you only need to insert it once for each spot you want the name to appear. When you send the email, Kit will replace that placeholder with each subscriber's individual first name. Before sending, it's a good idea to preview or test your email to make sure the name appears where you expect and that your greeting reads naturally. And that's all there is to it. By placing your cursor, opening the personalization menu, and selecting subscriber's first name, you can quickly create more personal, engaging emails in Kit without any complicated setup.